Okay, so you want to download free ringtones onto your Android phone in 2026. I'm going to tell you that Zedge is considered the market leader for Android personalization in 2026. It offers a massive high quality library of ringtones, wallpapers, notification sounds, and video ringtones in a single lightweight app. It is highly rated, so I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading free ringtones in 2026 on your Android phone. We want to go to our Google Play Store and open it up. And we're wanting to do a search for Zedge. So we'll hit the search icon at the bottom and we'll go up to the search bar and we're going to type in Zedge. We are going to hit the search button and we're going to hit the install. Okay, now that the app is installed, we're going to open it up. You have an option here to agree with the terms of service. I'm going to tap this and I'm going to hit opt out and continue. It's going to ask us to go with a premium subscription offers. We just need to tap the X in the top right corner because we're going to be using the free version. And you can set it up that if you want to allow or don't allow notifications, I'm going to hit not now. And again, I'm going to hit the X button in the top right corner. So now we are brought to the initial home screen of Zedge. To browse and search for content, you can see we've a few different options. We've got wallpapers, ringtones, AI generator, and my Zedge. Because this video is about ringtones, we're going to select the ringtone option. You can explore curated categories such as hip hop, rock, comedy, or sound effects. To find something specific, you want to tap on the search icon, which is the search bar at the top here. And you want to type in a keyword such as the Halo theme or lo-fi. So I'm going to type in studio. So whenever I type in my search, you can see, again, it brings up a number of different options. It's got wallpapers for this specific genre, video wallpapers, ringtones, notification sounds. We're going to hit into ringtones. And then we can preview the sound, so you can tap on any ringtone entry to listen to it before downloading. Then what you want to do, if you want to download that specific ringtone, we tap into it and we tap on the download button, and it's often represented by a downward arrow or an icon at the bottom of the preview screen. So I'm going to hit download. And it's going to ask me what would I like to do. Would I like to set it as my ringtone, set it as a specific ringtone for a specific person, so on and so on. We're going to hit set ringtone. It's going to ask me to allow Zedge to modify system settings. I'm going to toggle this on and we're going to hit out of the ad again. I'm just going to see that set. Let me just double check. Ringtone updated. So basically, if I go in to my settings to make sure that definitely is set up, go to sound and vibration, and I go to my ringtone, you can see here that it is set for that specific ringtone. And that is basically all there is to it